was in service at Rosemary Lane. I won the goodwill of my master, and did I tell the sailor came there were not too late, and that was beginning of my misery. Call for a candle, light him to bed, and likewise a silk handkerchief to tie up his head. To tie up his head, sailors will do. And say, my pretty Polly, will you come too? Now this may be foolish, she thought it no harm, for the line to bed to keep herself warm. And what was done now, never this close. But I was that short night having 7 long years. Next morning the sailor so early rose, into my apron 3 guineas did throw, saying this I won't give him, more I will do, if you be my Polly wherever I go. If it's a boy, you fight for the king. If it's a girl, she wear a gold ring, wear the gold ring and dress all the fling. Remember my service in Rosemary Lane. When I was in service in Rosemary Lane, I won the goodwill of my master, and did I tell the sailor came there were not too late, and that was beginning of